Alright, so my son really liked the Patriotic 2019 number 2, so I'm going to redo it in an ice dye, and then we can compare that to the liquid dye version. Alright, so as always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun in the washing machine until it's damp. Since it's an ice dye, I'm going to go ahead and turn it inside out. And try to flatten it out fairly well. Alright, let's see. So, it's like this. I need to bring it this way. That's way too far. That looks about right. Alright, so I'll do that. This will be the blue filled up here, and these will be the stripes. Or these will be the stripes. Alright, so I'll go ahead and fold and tie this off. Trying to make sure the shirt's relatively wrinkle-free on there. Okay. Alright, so then I'll just tie this off. Alright. Alright, put that loose. And then we just need to do the field. And it's just a scrunch, so crumple it up. Alright, so, hold on, it's twisted up pretty good. So when you apply the dye, it needs to be applied to the accordion fold side, not the flat side. So sometimes that can get a little confusing. Go ahead and draw a line through that since it's hard to tell down here. Make sure it doesn't get twisted up. Alright, so off to dye. The colors I'll be using are Chinese red on the top, fire red on the bottom, turquoise on the top, cerulean blue on the bottom, and then a small amount of oxblood red and strong navy. I'm not sure if it's just on the bottom or it might be on the top too. I guess we'll see how it looks. And that's just to give a little bit more depth in the final. This one right here is going to be hard to get to, so that's not going to be fun to even get ice into. Alright, so this is blue, this is white, and then we do red every other all the way around. So let's get started. Alright, I'll let this sit until it melts through, then we'll flip it over and do the back side. And you'll notice that I did go ahead and add the oxblood and the strong navy on the front, and I'll probably do it on the back. Just kind of depends what it looks like after it melts. Alright, it's mostly melted through, so let's go ahead and flip it. And do the second side. So for this side, I'm using the fire red, cerulean blue, and a little bit of the oxblood and strong navy. Alright, I'll let this sit for probably at least 24 hours since there's ice, and we'll do the washout after that. It's been about 24 hours, so let's do the washout. Assuming I can get it out. There we go. Alright, let's take a look. Looks like I got some blue down here. Don't know how that happened. And that must have soaked through the cardboard from the blue panel. That's my guess. Alright, so I'll go ahead and throw this in the washing machine and then I'll do a comparison of the two.